Hey guys, it's Mo from MS7 Construction here. Come on in for this 3,500 square foot full gut top to bottom renovation located in Vaughan.
3, 2, 1.
Hello guys, and welcome to this beautiful grand kitchen. We got the double step shaker, as you can see, with the nice hard rock maple interior of these beautiful cabinets. As we do go over here, we got the Salici soft close mechanism. Throughout these cabinets we can soft close any of these doors. The beautiful canopy MDF painted with Benjamin Moore finish. We got this wonderful quartz finish with the waterfall on both sides of this 8-foot island. And we got the quartz with a nice backsplash throughout this entire kitchen into the servery room as well. Alright guys, what stands behind me on this beautiful luxurious fireplace is the 6mm porcelain slabs, the client's choice that we installed. Are book matched, as you can see, one on the left and one on the right, so they're both identical beside each other. And you have a beautiful feature wall with nice 3 shelves on both sides. So for this set of beautiful stairs, what we did over here is we replaced all the railings with a nice 6-inch post. We replaced all the pickets with a nice sand and finish on all the steps. Put a white riser on the back and did piano set of style stairs.